Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we will discuss about AstroSage Kundli mobile app. So let's get started. This is the welcome screen of AstroSage Kundli software. There are many options here. We have to tap on the Kundli option, the first option. Here we need to enter the data of a person to generate the Kundali. Let's say I make it test, then tap on the calendar to enter the date of birth. Let's say June 21st, and I set it 1990. Now tap on the time calendar and set the time in 6:35 a.m. Now we have to set the location of the person. Default is Agra. Tap on the Agra and say let's choose Kolkata. Then we have to tap on the male or female. I set it male. Now tap on the generate horoscope. The horoscope is generated. Before going further, first we have to set two things. One is language and another is chart type or chart style, like North Indian, South Indian or East Indian. For that we have to go the option right top and select the chart style. Here you can see that there are three chart styles: North Indian, South Indian or East Indian. Suppose we tap on the South Indian chart and OK. See, the South Indian chart is generated. Again, we are going to, if we want to change the language, tap on the choose language and select the desired language and click on OK. Here I am leaving it as English, and also going to the chart style and making it as North Indian. See, your horoscope is generated. Below the horoscope you can see the details of the planets, and also asterisk or star marked planets are retrograde and caret sign planets are combust. Here like Saturn is retrograde, Ketu and Rahu are always retrograde, and Mercury is combust. You can see the caret sign beside the Mercury. Now this is your horoscope or Kundali. Similarly, you can see the Navamsa just beside the Lagna chart. This is your Navamsa chart, and beside that this is the moon chart. Here moon is your Lagna. And also you can see many other options, like here this is the planets details, like planets, the sign of the planets, degree of the planets, and in which nakshatra planets is posited. Similarly, there are many other options, Panchanga, Ashtakvarga. You can see the whole Ashtakvarga details here, and also you can see the transit. And in this transit, you can see the Lagna or moon, whichever you preferred. And beside the transit, you can also see the Sadbal. Under the Sadbal, you can also see the Bhababal also. All these options you can also find from the top menu. Just tap on the top menu and a detailed drop down will be displayed. like I want to go to the Lagna chart. See, this Lagna chart is displayed. Now I am showing you one tip, a very important tip. Like this is the Gemini Lagna or ascendant, and its second house is Cancer. Now what if I want to make the second house as ascendant? For that, tap on the second house or sign number, that is 4. Just tap on the 4 and see what happened. Now the Cancer is your ascendant. Similarly, suppose Libra. Now it is in 4th house. Just tap on the 7, number 7. Just tap on. See, 7th is now make your ascendant. This is a very important tip and feature in AstroSage Kundli app. Now go to the basic. Before the Lagna, tap on the basic. Here you can see the Sarasa Varga, which is the divisional charts. Tap on the Sarasa Varga and you can see all the 16 divisional chart like Hora, Drekana, Churthamsa. Just tap on any of the divisional chart and we will go there. This is the Hora chart. Now back to it. Again go to the Sarasa Varga. Suppose you want to see the Dasamsa chart. Just tap on the Dasamsa chart. See, the Dasamsa chart is displayed. Now go back to the basic and tap on the Dasa. Default is Bhimsasatri Dasa. Now these are the main Dasa. Just tap on the any Dasa, like suppose tap on the Jupiter. Here you can see under this Jupiter you can see all the Antardasa. Just tap on any Antardasa. Here you can see all the Pattantardasa. Now tap on the back. Again tap on the back. We will go to the main Dasa or Vimsasatri Dasa. Now beside the Vimsasatri Dasa, there are other Dasa also like Chart Dasa. Tap on the Chart Dasa, all the Chart Dasa are generated. And beside the Chart Dasa, Jogini Dasa also present. You can see all the Jogini Dasa. So AstroSage is a very good app and also it is free for the astrological or Jyotish matters.